Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to enable admin to log in as other user in Salesforce. So for that, first of all, let's go to setup and see if we see a button for login for other user as well or not. So here I am in setup and I will search for user and click on users. Here I am not seeing a button to log in. So for that, we have to do one setting. So I have to search for login access policies. So here I will click on login access policies and then I have to enable administrators can log in as any user. So I have enabled this setting and click on save. Once this is saved, I will go back to users list. So I will go back to users and here you can see we are getting the button for login as other users. So here we can log in as this user using admin profile. So I click on login, then I will be able to log in using Eric Jackson's profile. So this is how you can set up login as other user for Salesforce admin from setup. You have to just enable one setting from login access policies. Thank you very much.